Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in a B2B selling techniques, we'll discuss a kind of a chapter that is very important and crucial, and that is how to create a marketing plan template. Now what normally happens is when you actually have a product or a service or a solution that you are actually launching into the market, what basically do is you creating a marketing strategy. The strategy that includes how you are going to market this product or a service, what are the areas that you need to target, how you need to target, what is the plan, what is the content marketing strategy, how you are going to create the content and where the content is to be created, what are the areas that you need to focus on, so on and so forth. That actually completes the marketing strategy that you are using to launch a product or a service or a solution. But what normally happens is every time you actually do a kind of a tweaking, you actually go on reinventing the wheel all over again, changing a lot of things. Instead of that one, what basically you can do is you can create a marketing template and do the necessary changes wherever it is required, so that you can actually, you don't need to reinvent the wheel all over again, save a lot of time, go about launching your marketing plan in a much more effective way. Now what are the key elements that you can think of in creating a marketing plan template? Let's check them out. Now what basically is a marketing plan template? Marketing plan template is a standard plan that can be used in multiple departments with little or no tweaks. Now you have a marketing plan available right now with you. Now the marketing plan template actually includes a lot of factors covering the different departments of within the organization. And when you actually want to tweak the marketing plan, you don't need to tweak the rest of the things. What you can do is you basically go on tweak a little part of a little department of a little area, so that the rest of the things will remain the same. And that is precisely what at the big picture, the marketing plan template is all about. A marketing plan template eliminates errors, omissions and save times significantly. Now what normally happens is when you have a marketing plan template laid out, the complete master plan, what you are going to basically do is you are actually going to remove and eliminate all those errors and mistakes that could happen from time to time. You go on updating your marketing plan. When you are updating your marketing plan, you don't need to update the marketing plan entirely from top to bottom. When you have the master plan template available with you, you can going to tweak it wherever it is necessary, and this significantly reduces the time to market when you actually launch a product or a service or a solution. Now the template can be reviewed and updated as and when required. The template is available with you right now. What you can do is you can tweak wherever is necessary in terms of the features, in terms of the benefits, in terms of the pricing. Rest of the things will remain the same to whichever the product that you are going to launch. So this is precisely what a marketing plan template is all about. How to create a marketing plan template? Now these are some of the key factors that you need to take into consideration. Identify the common factors. What are the common factors that actually could be the possibility between one product, the second product, the third product, the fourth product? A product, B product, C product or D product. What are the common factors? Those common factors are clearly laid down and you don't need to do any tweaks to it. Create a sequential order. When you create a marketing plan, you have to create a sequential order. How the sequential order will follow? Something like the company, what this company is all about, what are the key products and services solutions this product is launching or having, and who are basically their kind of clientele, the best practices that you can implement of. Then you're going to add the credentials, then you're going to add the product. What is the product? The product is all about this so and so factors. Then you have the features, then you have the benefit, then you have the pricing, you have the scheduling. This is basically a sequential order. You need to create a sequential order. When you have a sequential order, you can tweak wherever it is necessary, whenever it is necessary. Use product images. It is a very important factor when you have a marketing plan available with you right now. The template is available with you. The images play a very important role in creating the template, and you use the better high quality images. Map the content. What basically mapping of content is all about? Mapping of content is all about mapping the content, targeted content, to the requirements of the market. to the requirements of the market, means to the requirements of your potential customers. The content should not be generic. The content should be completely mapped to the requirements. Then you add features and benefits. The more you talk about the customers, the more you talk about the benefit that you're going to provide and how the features of this product are going to benefit the end user, the customer, the better. Then you have the credentials and the testimonials. List out all the credentials, list out all the testimonials and tell them very clearly in terms of, it could be video testimonials and credentials, it could be text based credentials and testimonials. List out, this is the company, this is the case study, this is what we have done this for this company, and this company has made a turnaround making millions of dollars of profit. The testimonials play a very, very important role, and this should be an integral part of your marketing plan template. Key elements of a marketing plan template. You have the product information, the complete product information, what this product is all about, the images of the product, if the video demos are available, the video demos of the product, you have the credentials, you have the benefits, and you have in the features. You have the benefits and the features and the credentials, and these are basically the integral part of your product information. You have the features and the benefits, you have the credentials and the testimonials. Finally, this actually comes into the product demo and the pricing structure. When you are showing the features and the benefits of your product, you need to back that with a product demo and tell them this is the product and this is the features and this is how it is going to flow, like the product demo. Then you have the pricing structure. Talk about the benefits, the features, talk about the product information, the product demo, then finally comes to the pricing structure. You have the credentials and the testimonials. This will add value to your business. The more you talk about your credentials and testimonials, the more you're going to talk about the value, because it will give a solid backing to you, to your customer out there in the market, and it will help you in beating the competitors. And these are the basically the key elements of your marketing plan template. Finally, marketing plan best practices you can think of implementing. Make sure the content is targeted. When you devise and formulate your content, the marketing plan content, the content marketing plan, everything has to be targeted towards your customers, towards the market. Who are the customers? You have identified the customers, identified the requirements, map the content according to the requirements. More about the customer than the company. More often than not, what we see is the company, when they are actually launching a product, they talk more about themselves. Talk less about yourself, talk more about the benefits that your product will help in the competitors in the market to the customers. Mapping the content again is extremely crucial. Targeting of the content or the mapping the content is more or less the same. Map the content according to the requirements. The benefits of the solution or the product or the service. The more you talk about the benefits, the more you talk about the value that the product may offer to the customers, the better. Include a demo, a clear-cut demo that shows us, that spells out each and every key element of your product. List out everything and show the demo. The testimonials, back it with your testimonials. Talk about the numbers. When I say about talking about the numbers or talk more about the numbers, what basically I mean is, say for example, you have provided a kind of a service or a solution to a particular company and they are extremely happy and delighted with the kind of services that you provided to them, and they are making a lot of profits because of your product or a service or a solution that you have delivered to them. List that as a key credential, key testimonial in your marketing plan template. What you can do is, you can say that so and so company, ABC company, this company was having these areas, these concerns, these challenges, and we provided them a solution, and because of our solution, that company is making more than $5.5 million of profit. When I say $5.5 million of profit, that is precisely what numbers are of. Don't just say that, this company is making a lot of money because of our solution. Lot of money, that is a generic word. When you say identify the numbers, $5.5 million of profit every year, that is a number. Talk numbers, and that will hit your prospective customers. The value again is a key point. The value is what differentiates you from the rest of the crowd, rest of the competitors. Add something that stands you apart, that stands you away from the crowd, and that makes you a key winning USP. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a marketing plan template, how to create a marketing plan template, and key elements of a marketing plan template, and some of the best practices that you can think of implementing in your marketing plan template. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.